Hello everyone, this is my review of the Samsung 12.2-inch FHD Touchscreen Chromebook Plus, a versatile device ideal for both business and students. Its 2-in-1 design allows you to switch seamlessly between laptop and tablet modes, making it perfect for work, study, or entertainment. The Intel dual-core processor and 4GB RAM deliver smooth performance for everyday tasks, while the 224GB storage provides ample space for files, applications, and media. The FHD touchscreen is bright and responsive, enhancing productivity and making navigation intuitive. The included Stylus pen is a great addition for taking notes, sketching, or annotating documents, and the wireless mouse adds convenience for desktop-style usage. The sleek silver design is lightweight and portable, perfect for on-the-go users. This Chromebook is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, efficient, and multifunctional device. I highly recommend this product, and I hope